Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best long handle squeegee is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for maintaining a sparkling clean bathroom, especially for those who want to effortlessly keep their shower glass and tiles free from water spots and soap scum without straining their backs or arms. This versatile cleaning companion is designed to reach every corner, making your post-shower cleanup a breeze and ensuring your bathroom always looks its best with minimal effort, transforming a tedious chore into a quick and satisfying task. Number 5. Docrok All-Purpose Stainless Steel Shower Squeegee. Tired of water spots and soap scum? This squeegee effortlessly removes water and buildup from your shower doors and other surfaces. Achieve a sparkling clean with just a few wipes, leaving no streaks or squeaks behind. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel and a premium silicone blade, this tool is built for durability. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip for efficient cleaning with minimal effort. This versatile squeegee isn't just for shower doors. It's perfect for windows, mirrors, tiles, and any smooth surface, making it an essential tool for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. Cleaning has never been easier. When you're done, simply use the included adhesive hooks to hang it conveniently on any smooth surface. Keep it within easy reach for your next cleaning session. From shower doors to car windows, this squeegee handles it all. Experience a faster, easier way to keep your home sparkling clean. It's the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. What we like? This squeegee offers a streak-free and squeak-free clean with its premium silicone blade. Its sturdy stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability. If you're looking for a reliable tool for daily household cleaning that's comfortable to hold and built to last, you should consider this one. What people say. The squeegee is great for cleaning shower doors and walls. It has a long handle that makes it easy to reach all areas of the shower. The squeegee blade is made of durable rubber and effectively removes water. Number 4. White multi-purpose squeegee with foam handle. Introducing our versatile cleaning tool, designed to tackle water on any surface. It's perfect for your shower doors, windows, and even your car windshield. Achieve a spotless finish with our specially designed silicone blades. They sweep away water without leaving any marks or streaks, ensuring a brilliant shine. This isn't just for showers, it's a true multi-purpose cleaner. Use it as a floor squeegee, a window cleaning tool, or even for your car windows. Cleaning has never been so comfortable. The soft foam handle provides a secure and pleasant grip, making the task quick and effortless. Our soft silicone blade is crafted from glass-friendly material. It effectively removes water without causing any scratches, making it ideal for all your glass surfaces. Never worry about worn-out blades. This squeegee comes with 2 extra silicone replacement blades, ensuring you always have a perfect cleaning tool ready. What we like? This option comes with 2 extra silicone replacement blades, ensuring you always have a sharp edge for a perfect, scratch-free finish. The soft foam handle provides a comfortable grip, making cleaning effortless. If you appreciate having spares and a comfortable, lightweight tool for various surfaces, this is a great choice. What people say. The squeegee has a long handle that makes it easy to reach all areas of the shower, including the ceiling and corners. The silicone blade is flexible and conforms to the shower surface, providing a streak-free finish. It comes with a suction cup hook for convenient storage on the shower wall. Number 3. 2-in-1 Extendable Window Cleaning Tool. Introducing a revolutionary 2-in-1 window cleaning tool designed for ultimate convenience. It combines a powerful scrubber with a high-quality squeegee for a streak-free shine every time. With its extendable handle, you can easily adjust the length from 16 to 56 inches. This allows you to reach even the highest windows without any hassle. The unique 360-degree rotating head ensures no spot is missed. Clean every corner and angle with ease, removing dirt, water, and grime from all directions. Crafted with a non-slip handle and a high-quality rubber blade, this tool provides a perfect fit for glass surfaces. It's ideal for windows, shower doors, car windshields, and any smooth surface. This multifunctional tool is perfect for all your cleaning needs, from household windows to car maintenance. It's the essential cleaning companion for a sparkling home and vehicle. The package includes everything you need: extension poles, a handle, and a squeegee head. It's ready for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks, making it a truly all-in-one solution. What we like. This squeegee features an impressive 56-inch extendable handle and a 360 degrees rotating head for reaching difficult spots. Its 2-in-1 design with a sponge scrubber and rubber squeegee makes cleaning efficient. If you need to tackle high or hard-to-reach windows and want a versatile, all-in-one cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The 2-in-1 design is very convenient since you can scrub and wipe without switching tools. It works wonders on various surfaces, including glass doors, car windshields, mirrors, and tiles. It effortlessly tackles water spots, soap scum, and even fingerprints, leaving a streak-free and polished finish every time. You can extend it up to 56, which makes it quite easy to reach far-away surfaces and/or the tops of cars. Number 2. Eyliden 17 Dual Action Floor Squeegee. Effortlessly push away water or scrape stubborn residues with our innovative two-way design. Its heavy-duty rubber scrub tackles tile, marble, glass surfaces, and more for rainy days, pool decks, or post-shower cleanups. Engineered with an angled head and adjustable handle, this squeegee broom reduces physical strain compared to traditional mops. Clean high windows or low floors without bending or kneeling. Conquer over 8 surfaces from kitchen tiles to garage floors. Its soft rubber squeegee gliding smoothly removes moisture in one pass for spaces needing rapid drying. An integrated hanging hook design makes storage effortless. It weighs less than 2 pounds yet withstands significant pressure, ready for next use in bathrooms, showers, or outdoor and indoor areas. Its thermostable rubber stays flexible in extreme temperatures. Effortlessly remove dirt and water stains with a simple push and scrape motion, outperforming basic squeegees in any season. Made from high-quality materials including an aluminum frame and non-scratch rubber blade, this tool is built to last and provides top performance for any cleaning task. What we like. This squeegee boasts dual action power for both pushing water and scraping stubborn residues, making it incredibly effective. It features an adjustable long handle and a wide head for reduced physical strain. If you need a heavy-duty tool for floors, showers, or even garages and want to minimize effort, this is an excellent option. What people say. Once assembled, it feels sturdy and the squeegee itself was very effective at pushing water off the tile pool deck. Functional that I have a large, crazy large shower, and great for clearing out the moisture on the floor of the shower. The handle, I have to say, does not seem really strong. It is a thin metal that I think with a lot of pressure it will start to crack, so no heavy body weight while using it. But all in all, I really like it and it is doing what I bought it to do. This by far is not meant for industrial. I would not use this at our recycling center to clean the cement when the rain came in the bay door. It's more for light duty, not heavy. Hope this review helps. Number 1. Long Handle Shower and Window Squeegee. Achieve a sparkling, streak-free finish on all your glass surfaces. Our squeegee's soft silicone blade effortlessly removes water without damaging the material. Tired of bending and stretching? This tool features an innovative telescopic design, extending from 17 to 60 inches. Clean high windows and floors with ease and comfort. Keep your cleaning tools tidy with our double hook design. Easily hang it anywhere using the included silicone or adhesive hook, no drilling required. Enjoy a peaceful cleaning session. Its unique design and soft silicone material ensure a quiet operation, fitting perfectly on glass and tiles without annoying squeaks. This squeegee is perfect for more than just windows. Use it on shower doors, car windshields, mirrors, tiles, and even marble surfaces for a spotless clean. Getting started is simple. Please refer to the provided video for easy and quick installation instructions. What we like. This squeegee offers a wide 13.7-inch blade for efficient cleaning and a telescopic handle that extends from 17 to 60 inches, perfect for high areas. It's designed for noiseless operation, ensuring a comfortable cleaning experience. If you're looking for a long-reach squeegee that's quiet and effective on various surfaces like glass doors and floors, this is a solid pick. What people say. The squeegee is well made, it works great. Take all the water off the wall and glass of the shower. It is the perfect height when extended to reach the top of the shower. The handle telescopes out with a tug. It doesn't slide out with no effort. Handle is in 2 sections so you can choose how much to extend it. The wiper goes smoothly over the tile's glass. It's very sturdy and I highly recommend this to anyone who is looking for a good quality squeegee. This is the 3rd one that I ordered and the best. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.